Plan, brainstorm, and flesh out projects before they ever hit the calendar with CoSchedule's Idea Board. Use the Idea Board to triage inbound requests. Simply create a project request view, customize your columns, then sync with your team to prioritize and schedule all those internal and external requests. Ever gotten super excited about a project, only to have it killed halfway through? Worst feeling ever. Utilize your idea board to get stakeholder buy-in before you've gone too far. With pre-calendar approvals, you can plan out those projects, get them approved, then schedule them with confidence. And best of all, with Idea Board, you can save every great content idea without distracting your current work schedule. Organize and flesh out blog topics worth pursuing, trash the less stellar ones, and save those maybes for later. Planning is tough, especially when timelines are tentative. Eliminate calendar anxiety and keep your projects moving forward with Idea Board from CoSchedule.